Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English lesson. Are you ready to improve your speaking skills? Today, Tina shares a story about her life as a student living far from family. We are going to learn practical and useful vocabulary and expressions to practice your English listening and speaking skills. Let's get started. Listen carefully. Hi guys, I am Tina. Let me tell you about my life as a student living far from my family. Living alone in my apartment, far from the warmth of my family, each day becomes a unique chapter in my life as a student. Today, I want to share the rhythm of my routine, where academics and daily tasks blend in a delicate dance. The sun gently enters my room, waking me with its soft glow. The morning calm is interrupted by the city's hum, marking the start of a new day. As I stretch away sleep, the desk with textbooks becomes my refuge for intellectual exploration. The academic world becomes my sanctuary. Hours pass in the pursuit of knowledge, with the sound of flipping pages and keyboard clicks, forming a symphony of learning. It is a solitary journey, but one filled with the thrill of discovery and the satisfaction of academic progress. Around noon, I shift from books to the heart of my home, the kitchen. With an apron as my companion, I embark on a culinary adventure. Chopping vegetables and experimenting with flavors become a creative outlet, transforming chores into a celebration of self-sufficiency. The aroma of a well-cooked meal is a testament to the fusion of sustenance and artistry. Dusting, sweeping, and organizing create a sense of order and calm. A clean home is not just a reflection of my habits, but a sanctuary from the demands of academia. Laundry day is not just a task, it's a choreography of sorting, washing, and folding. In these simple actions, I find grounding amidst the complexity of student life, a reminder that balance is crucial. In the digital age, technology is my ally. Reminders on my phone guide me through grocery shopping, and online resources enhance my academic journey. The integration of modern tools into my routine reflects adaptability, where traditional chores meet the efficiency of the digital realm. As evening falls, my laptop screen becomes a portal to family through video calls. Despite the physical distance, these moments bridge the gap, allowing me to share the highs and lows of my day. As I lay down, I reflect on the day. My routine, a mix of studies and daily tasks, is more than a schedule. It's a testament to resilience, independence, and the intricate dance of a student living alone. I hope that you guys like this video. Please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel.